The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy, summarized by Vic Simon and voiced by Uyo Uyo. Some time ago, I needed the service of a professional whom I was going to hire to perform a media-related task. It was a little difficult for me to get the right person because of the skills the task required. At a point, I decided to engage my subconscious mind. Suddenly, I remembered a young lady we had worked together before. I looked for her contact, but ouch, I couldn't get anyone who knows her contact. I then focused my mind on getting her and giving her the job. Somehow, couples of days later, she appeared at our office. That looks magical? Probably not. You can call it law of attraction or whatever you think it. The truth is, our mind is far more powerful than many of us realize. The first lesson in the power of your subconscious mind is, your subconscious mind is powerful enough to create your desired life. Use it well. By the way, if this is your first time on our channel, welcome and consider subscribing because we'll help you to read all the world's best books under 7 minutes. Let's move to the second lesson. King Solomon is considered to be the wisest man of his time, yet he, as a man thinketh in his heart, so he is. One of the main factors that keep people poor is they are not able to feed their minds with positive thoughts. This could be interpreted to mean that a man who thinks he is poor will be poor, and a man who thinks he is rich will certainly be rich. I know a lot of people who blame their parents, the government, and anybody they can blame for their poverty. But the same people waste their time consuming news, watching the TV, and playing games on their mobile phone. An average American reads one meaningful book per year, and that's even in America. Average adults in the world rarely read good books, nor do they feed their minds with positive thoughts to feed their subconscious minds, which will lead to their lives producing positive results like wealth and success. Warren Buffett is one of the richest men in the world, and one of his famous quotes is, "I always knew I was going to be rich. I don't think I ever doubted it for a minute." This is not peculiar to Warren. All successful people are positive thinkers. The second important lesson in the power of your subconscious mind is, if you want to be successful and rich in life, fill your life with positive thoughts. Me and one of my friends were having one of our regular business brainstorming sessions when he told me about his financial goal. However, before then, he had told me about how he was telling someone else about his previous financial goals and the person doubted him. Have you shared your goals with doubting Thomas before? I'd like to know in the comment. One major thing my friend knows how to use more than anyone I know is the ability to set and visualize his goals. Visualizing your goals propels your subconscious mind towards the ingredients that will be used to achieve such goals. If you enter my friend's room, for instance, posted on the walls of his room, this is to help him visualize his goals. In order to achieve anything significant in life, you have to be able to visualize your goals with passion. Go as far as printing those goals and pasting them where you will see them every day and night, so that you'll be conscious of what your life's missions are. The third most important lesson in the power of your subconscious mind is, visualize your goals every day. 2017-2018 season has been a great season for the Pep Guardiola-led Manchester City football team. They started the season strong and they've broken a record to be the first Premiership team to get 100 points in a season. One of the toughest matches they had was against their arch-rivals Manchester United. In fact, if they had won that match, they would have been crowned the king of the season. However, after the first half, United was losing 2-0, and there came the opportunity Jose Mourinho, the coach of Manchester United, was waiting for to turn the fortune of his team around. Mourinho had to speak to the hearts of his players not to allow fear ruin their reputation. One of the Manchester United players who revealed this after the match said that Mourinho told them how they would just look like clowns watching their arch-rivals collect the trophy. With those words, they were able to replace their fears with positive thoughts and eventually won the game. The fourth lesson in the power of your subconscious mind is, to succeed in life, you must replace your fears with positive thoughts. I heard the story of a woman who was fired by her boss. This lady was a prophet of doom. and she predicted her own sack with her mouth. It happened that she was going home on a Friday. She jokingly said she could be fired soon. And guess what? She was fired the next week after she made the joke. This sounds superstitious, right? Maybe. But you see, most of the times we attract our lives whatever we allow to dominate our thoughts. Maybe you don't believe in the law of attraction, but if you look objectively at your life, you'll see obviously that your life is nothing but the combination of your dominating thoughts. The fifth lesson in the power of your subconscious mind is your dominant thoughts will determine your success or failure in life. Now let's discuss. What lessons do you think I missed in this book? What points would you like to add? Which other good books would you like our team to summarize next? We love to receive your comments. If you love this summary, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, subscribe now and turn on the notification because we'll help you to read all the best books in the world within 7 minutes. Kindly watch the next video we recommend to you on your screen right now. We love you.